This is Victoria's trick right here. This is amazing, I gotta say. We gotta zoom in on this. It's just that awesome. That's Matt back there. Anyway, so come on, Tor, do your thing. Oh, she fell that time. Go back up. It's all right. Everyone, it happens to everyone. Mistakes, yeah.
I went in between. That was awesome.
Hi, Matt. There she goes. She's going. She's still going. Oh my God. It is so amazing, this girl. I gotta say. Now she's down. Anyway, let's watch Grant do his little spinning thing. Oh, look at him. Birthday boy. He's spinning, he's spinning, he's spinning. Oh geez, Matt's down. Let's see what's up with him. Tell the crowd your troubles.
Get the cat out of my face.
Come on, it's okay. It's all right, Matt. It's all right. It's okay. Explain your troubles. Oh, she's going again! She's gonna run into Matthew! Oh, collide! Bye, guys. Oh, geez. This can't be good.